On this lesson, I'm going to show you how to create loft using multiple sketches. Click New Document, click OK. So, the same as the basics loft, we need to create some of the plane. So I'm going to create using reference geometry. Click plane, and then using distance, I'm going to type 40. Press enter. Use the front plane as the default plane, and then make 3 of them. So you can see like this, and then click OK. First one, I'm going to create it under the front plane, so just right click on front plane here, click sketch, and then click circle. So I'm going to create one circle. You can put smart dimension on it. So I just type 50 and then click OK. Then I click exit sketch. So I've done my first circle or sketch. So I'm going to go into the plane 1. So just right click, click sketch, change the view to normal 2. I'm going to zoom out, then click on circle, put on the origin and make it bigger. Click smart dimension, then measure it. Then I type 80 and then click OK. Then I click exit sketch. So I've done 2 in here. The next one on the plane 2, so just right click on plane 2 when it become orange. Click sketch, change the view to normal 2. Click circle. This time I'm going to make it smaller. Click smart dimension. I'm going to measure this. Then type 30. Click OK. And then click exit sketch. So, as you can see here, I got 3. So I'm going to do the last one. On the plane 3, right click, click sketch. Change the view again to normal 2. Click rectangle. So I'm going to create it in here. And then I click the center line using this arrow under the line. Select so diagonally. Right click, then click select. Now I'm going to select the diagonal and press Shift on your keyboard. Then click on this origin and then click make midpoint. When you're done, click OK here and then click exit sketch. Click on the screen. Now I'm going to link 4 of the sketches under the loft. So I just click loft. So I click first sketch, second, click on the third one, and then click on the last one. So now you can see here roughly as the preview of the loft. Then I click OK. I'm going to hide all of this plane 1 and plane 2. So I just right click on the plane 1 and then click hide. The same on the plane 2, right click and then click hide. Next one, I'm going to add just another rectangular to extend this one just a little bit based on the plane 3. So I click on the reference geometry, click plane, select on the plane 3. Now the distance, I'm going to type 60, and I want it just one plane, so just press enter and then click OK. Now I'm going to right click on plane 4 and then click sketch. Next, change the orientation to normal 2. Click rectangular. So I'm going to point it from here to this one. center line, make a diagonal, right click, and then click select. Next one, I'm going to select the diagonal, press shift, select the origin, and then click midpoint, and then click exit sketch. Next one, I'm going to click Loft. I'm going to select from this corner or this line to this. As you can see here, it doesn't create anything because we can see here there is an edge. So just right click, delete that one. If you click on or expand the part 3 here, or part 2 or part 1, if you're creating from new, click on the Loft one, then click on select sketch 4. As you can see here that we're going to have twisted as this edge is on the opposite way, so I just drag this one and I move this one again to that one. So you can move this point where they join together to make sure that the shape is actually the shape, the one that we want, and then I click OK. Going to hide the plane 3 and the plane 4. Now you can see this is the final result of the loft using multiple sketches. And that will be the end of the lesson on how to create loft using multiple